योर चैनल बी ऑलवेज लर्नर। इस वीडियो में हम पैरामीटर्स निकालने के लिए एक एग्जाम्पल कंसीडर कर रहे हैं। सो द एग्जाम्पल इज अ मोटर ड्राइव्स टू लोड। एक मोटर है जो दो लोड को ड्राइव कर रही है। वन हैज़ रोटेशनल मोशन, इट इज coupled to the motor through a reduced gear with A is equal to 0.1. The efficiency of that particular transmission system is given 90%, and the load has a moment of inertia of 10 kilogram meter square, and the torque is 10 Newton meter. Other load, जो दूसरा लोड है जो ट्रांसमिट कर रहा है लीनियर मोशन, so that is 1000 किलोग्राम उसका वेट है, to a lifted up at a uniform speed of 1.5 meter per second, and coupling between this load and the motor has an efficiency of 85%. Motor has an inertia of 0.2 kilogram and the run at a constant speed of 1420 rpm. Determine the equivalent inertia referred to the motor shaft and the power developed by the motor. So इतना कुछ हमें दिया हुआ है, तो let us have the solution for that. तो सबसे पहले हम गिवन जो क्वांटिटी है उसको चेक आउट करते हैं। तो गिवन क्वांटिटी हमारे पास J नोट गिवन है। What is J नोट? J नोट in this example is a moment of inertia of motor, that is 0.2 kilogram meter square. Now another ratio given है हमारे पास, teeth ratio, that is A1, that is 0.1 here, and J1 is also given. J1 जो फर्स्ट लोड है, that is moment of inertia of that is 10 kilogram meter square. So this is 10 kilogram meter square, and for the linear motion we'll have the V also, that is 1.5 meter per second, and we are also having the omega m, that is 1420 multiplied by pi divided by 30 to convert it into the required units, that is radian per second. Fine. So अब जो हमने इक्वेशन जो फाइंड आउट की थी लास्ट लेक्चर में, दैट वाज मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया J, दैट इज इक्वल टू J नोट, फर्स्ट जो रोटेशनल लोड है दैट इज A1 स्क्वायर प्लस, और जो हमारे पास दूसरा लीनियर जो लोड है दैट इज V1 डिवाइड बाय ओमेगा m. सो ये दो टाइप के लोड हमें यहाँ पर गिवन है, तो उसके लिए हमें अब J नोट की वैल्यू पुट करनी है इसमें, जो हमें गिवन है 0.2 प्लस, नाउ इट इज A1 इज 0.1 raised to the power 2, now it is J1, it is 10 here, plus M1 is given by I think 1000 is there, so M1 is 1000 and V1 is given by 1.5, right, and divide by omega m जो हमने फाइंड आउट किया है इतने रेडियन. ठीक है, सो ये हमारे पास आ गया है, इसको हम सॉल्व करेंगे. सो दैट इज 0.4 किलोग्राम मीटर स्क्वायर. सो यू कैन ऑल्सो कैलकुलेट इट. फाइन. सो now we have to calculate the torque also, load torque, that is the combination of A1 TL1 जो गियर टीथ से पावर ट्रांसफर हो रही है उसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं अभी हम। फिर जो लीनियर मोशन है दैट इज़ F1 डिवाइड बाय eta1 with dash V1 divided by omega m. Now in that case we are having the values of A1 here. A1 is 0.1, fine, and value of TL, value of TL1 is TL1 is given by 10 Newton meter, so it is 10 Newton meter, so it is multiplied by 10 multiplied by the efficiency is 90%. Here it is given 90%. I can list here simultaneously, that is 90%, fine. So it is 90%, so I can write that is divided by 100, so it is comes out to be 0.9, and we can also write directly this figure like 0.9. So we can have 0.9 here, plus I want to have the force here, so force यहाँ पर कितना लगा हुआ है, जो कांस्टेंट यूनिफॉर्म फोर्स की बात की गई थी, क्योंकि वेट हमारे पास 1000 है, सो वी कैन फाइंड आउट द फोर्स ऑल्सो. द फोर्स हेयर दैट इज F1 दैट इज 1000 वेट और अगेंस्ट द ग्रेविटी है, तो वी कैन हैव 9.81 एज मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्टर एज G, सो दैट इज इतने न्यूटन्स. सो इट इज कम्स आउट टू बी 1000 multiplied by 9.81 divided by, now the efficiency for that drive, that is eta1 dash, that is 0.85 because it is 85% given, so we can directly write it. So that is 0.85, and now multiplied by constant velocity is 1.5 and divided by the omega m, which is already with us, this is 148.7 in the bracket. So after calculating all this with calculator, you can write 117.53 Newton meter. So it means we are having the answer here. Now again we can understand it, that we are having two kind of loads here. One is the rotational load, another is the linear motion load, and from that we can derive two formulas for that, for calculating the J and for calculating the TL, and we just put out the values and find out the solution. So hope you like the example. Please like and subscribe the channel.